So here we are multiplying the two matrices. We are multiplying the two matrix minus 1 4 2 5 1 3. How do we multiply and what is the condition? So if we take the matrix minus 1 4 2 is a matrix. First thing, is it possible to multiply these two matrices? Okay, what we have to do? We have to check the order of the matrix. We have to check the order of the matrix. How many rows? One row. How many columns? 1 2 3 columns. 1 by 3 matrix. Now 1 2 3 rows and one column. Okay, so here is it possible to multiply? So the columns of the first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. They are equal. So multiplication is possible. Multiplication is possible. Okay. Multiplication condition is columns of the first matrix equal to rows of the second matrix. The resultant order is 1 by 1. Rows of the first matrix and columns of the second matrix. Now we'll try to multiply. Okay. So here, how do we multiply? Okay, so the first matrix rows we multiply with the second matrix columns. Okay, so here minus 1 into 5 plus 4 into 1 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Okay, so that's it. It is a single matrix. So this is equals to minus 1 into 5 minus 5 plus 4 1 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Okay, so now 6 plus 4 10, 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, the total value is 5. So this is the required solution. Okay, so now we'll go to next question. We'll go to next question. Once check the order here. How many rows we have? 2 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. So it is a 2 by 3 matrix. Now if we take this matrix 1 2 3, 3 rows and 1 column. Okay, so now check the multiplication condition. Okay, columns of the first matrix equal to rows of the second matrix, they are equal, so multiplication is possible. So how do we multiply? The rows we multiply with the columns. First row with first column, second row with first column. Okay, so now here 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 4 into 1. Okay, now take the second row. Second row we multiply with the first column again. We have only one column, that is 6 into 1 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Okay, so now 2 ones are 2 plus 2 plus 4. Okay, 6 ones are 6 minus 4 plus 3 ones are 3. Okay, so 2 plus 2 4 plus 4 8. 6 minus 4 2, 2 plus 3 5. Okay, so this is the required solution. Okay, so now we'll go to next question here. Okay, how many rows we have? 2 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. How many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. So here 2 columns, 2 rows are equal, middle 2 numbers are equal. Okay, so that is nothing but multiplication is possible. Multiplication is possible and resultant matrix order is 2 by 2 again. Okay, is it clear? Now how do we multiply? First row we multiply with the first column. First row we multiply with the first column. That is nothing but 3 into 4 minus 2 into 2. Then first row with second column. First row with second column. Okay, so now 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into 5. Minus 2 into 5. Now second row with first column. 1 into 4 plus 6 into 2. 1 into minus 1 plus 6 into 5. Okay, so now this is equals to 3 4s are 12 minus 4, 3 1s are minus 3 minus 10, 1 4s are 4 plus 6 2s are 12 minus 1 6 5s are 30. Okay, 12 minus 4 is 8 minus 3 minus 10 minus 13, 6 plus 12 plus 4 is 16, 30 minus 1, 29. 29. Okay, so this is a required answer. 2 by 2 matrix is a required 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so once look at this also. How many rows? 3 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. How many rows? 3 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. Okay, now check the condition. Columns of the first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. Multiplication is possible.
Pura, sir.
Yes. Okay, it is 3. Sorry. Okay, so now how do we multiply? Multiplication.
Column into row.
Yes, first row with first column.
First column.
First row with first column. So that is nothing but 2 into minus 2 plus 2 into 2. Okay, next second element with second element, third element with third element. Okay, plus 1 into 1. First row with second column now. First row with second column. 2 into minus 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2.
1 into 2.
Okay, so now first row with
Third column.
yes, third column.
2 into 4.
Yes. Okay, so 2 into 4 plus 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 2. Yes, now second row. Okay, taking the second row. Second row with first column again. Okay, so here 1 into minus 2 plus 0 into 2. 1 into minus 2, 0 into 2, 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Now second row with second column. Okay, 1 into minus 3 plus 0 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Right? Now second row with third column. Okay, 1 into 4 plus 0 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2. Okay, now third. Now we are taking third row.
2 into minus 2.
Yes, 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Okay, so next 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Next 2 into 4, third column. Third row with third column. Okay, we are writing in the same column again. Third row multiplying third column, we are getting here third row, third column. Okay, so 2 into 4 plus 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2. Okay, now so this is equals to 2 2s are 4 minus 4 plus 4 plus 1, 2 3s are 6 plus 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 1 2s are 2. Okay, plus into minus, minus 2 plus 0 plus 2 1s are 2, 1 3s are 3 minus 3 plus 0, 2 2s are 4, 1 4s are 4 and 0, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Okay, plus 1 2s are 2 plus 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 plus 2 plus 4, 2 4s are 8 minus 3 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 4. Okay, so here try to simplify. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel, we get 1. Okay, 4 plus 2 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 plus 8 0. Okay, and plus 2 minus 2 cancel, we are getting 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, so 2 plus 2 4 minus 4 is 0. 6, 2 plus 4, 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 plus 8 is 1. Okay, so this is the identity matrix. It is identity matrix. That is nothing but these two are multiplicative inverse to each other. Okay, the matrices, both the matrices are multiplicative inverse to each other. But here we want the result. We can write like this or like this. I3 or I3 by 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the required answer. And do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Okay, good. Right. So in this matrix, so once check the first before going to simplify, once check the multiplication possibility. Okay. So here first matrix order is three rows and 3 columns, right? 1, 2, 3 rows, 3 columns. Second matrix 1, 2, 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay. So this is also 3 rows, 3 columns. So check the possibility. Yes, first matrix columns is equal to second matrix rows. Multiplication is possible. Multiplication is possible. Now multiply. Okay, first matrix, first row with second matrix, first column. Okay, so here 0 into a square plus c into ab minus b into ac. Okay, first row with first column completed. First row with second column now. Second column 0 into AB, 0 into AB plus C into B square, C into B square minus B into BC, minus B into BC. Now the same first row multiplying with the third column.
Third column.
Third column 0 into AC, 0 into AC plus C into BC minus B into C square. Okay. In the same way, now I am multiplying the second row. Taking the second row, again first column, second column, third column. First, second row, first column. Okay, minus C into A square plus 0 into AB plus A into AC. First column element. Now second row with second column. Okay, minus C into AB plus 0 into B square plus A into BC. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now second row with third column. Okay. Minus C into AC plus 0 into BC plus A into C square. Now third row. I am taking the third row. Third row with first column, second column, third column. Okay. B into A square. B into A square minus A into AB plus 0 into AC. Okay. B into AB minus A into B square plus 0 into BC. Okay. So B into AC, B into AC minus A into BC plus 0 into C square. Third row multiplied with the third column. Completed. Now remaining part is simplification. Remaining part is simplification. 0 into something is 0. A, C, B, A, B, C. We get A, B, C. B into AC, that is also A, B, C. 0 into something is 0. B square C plus B square C minus B into B, B square C. Okay, are we getting zeros? All are zeros. B into C, BC into C is BC square. Okay, I think we are getting the null matrix. All zeros.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A square into C minus A square C plus this is 0. A into AC, A square C. Okay, minus AB is as it is plus 0. A into BC. I think we are getting different value here. Wait. Second row with second column minus C into AB minus C into AB. This is okay. Minus C into AB minus ABC or CAB. This is 0, and A into BC is the ABC. Okay. So now C into AC. Okay. C into
Sir,
AC minus AC square minus AC square plus 0 plus AC square. Third row, last one, A square B minus A square B plus 0, B into AB square plus, okay, so minus we are getting minus AB square plus 0 and something 0, A into BC, ABC minus ABC plus 0 into something is 0. Okay, so everything is going to get cancelled here, right? Just 1 minute, will close. Okay, so this ABC terms also, ABC cancel, A square C, A square C, A square B, A square B, everything is cancelled. So finally we are going to get the zeros. Okay, so this is the null matrix. Okay, either you can leave here, or you can write it as null matrix of 3 by 3. Okay, so this is
Yes,
the
sir.
required solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.